What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play When the Hospital Was My Home by Powfu and Rxseboy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double gorilla kick your jawbone off of your face. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. It's got 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord is going to be E minor. It's middle finger, 2nd fret, A string, ring finger, 2nd fret, D string. Then you need D major, which is index finger, 2nd fret, G string, ring finger, 2nd fret, or 3rd fret, B string, and middle finger, 2nd fret, high E. Then you need G major, which is going to be ring finger, 3rd fret, low E string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And then as part of the chord progression, it goes back to E minor. Now once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up throughout all 4 of these chords, or all 3 of these chords. It looks like down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.